In this video, let me show you how to copy text from image on Android. Now, whether you have the image saved or trying to take an image straight away, you can simply use the Google Lens feature that is inbuilt on Android. So if you're trying to do it for the image that is already saved on your device, simply head over to Google Photos and simply pick the image that you're trying to copy the text of. And once the image is open within Google Photos, tap on the three dot line on the top right and you'll be able to see the option called Google Lens. You can simply tap on it and Google Lens will scan the entire image, which will then let you to copy any sort of text by simply tapping, and then you can just pick the entire text which you want to copy, and right here you should be able to see the option called copy. You can exactly follow this process if you're trying to take a new image, and if the image is not already saved on your phone, you'll be able to find the Google Lens option available within Google Photos, or you can also download the application from the Play Store. So this is the exact process that you need to follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.